guys, welcome back to the channel for a quick update on my Livernois Aggressive Plus tune. As you guys have seen in the video, hopefully, I'll put the link in the description below so you can see how I did the install process and my initial thoughts about the Livernois Motorsports Aggressive Plus 93 octane tune, engine and transmission tune. I loved it then. I absolutely still love it now. So I'm happy to report it is still doing a fantastic job with awesome results. Let me get out of here. Just finished lunch, so I'm gonna head back to the office, so to speak. It still feels good. It still responds good when you get on the throttle. You feel the shifts are much more firmer, much more aggressive. Just no more lag, no more slippage or that annoying sluggishness with a standard automatic stock tune. If you're looking for that snappier shift, of course, horsepower and torque gains of about 20 plus or so, according to my dyno. I think you will be very satisfied with the results and the investment. And that's with my Rotofab intake. I do have deleted secondary cats. I'm not sure if that really impacts too much as far as the tune, but I did tell Livernois Motorsports that that's what I had in the car so that they could factor that in if it needed to be. I think I gained about 1 to 2 miles per gallon extra. I did not expect that. I've heard other folks that have gotten their cars tuned, not just by Livernois, but other tuners, and they either lose some or they gain some miles per gallon. In this case, I gained some, and I haven't changed my driving habits at all. I do combination of city and highway driving daily. I used to average, for example, in the high 17s to high 18s on a good highway day. But with DC metro area traffic, a good highway day may not be the same as your good highway day. Still some traffic, no matter what time of day it is. So now I'm seeing easily in the high 19s, and sometimes if I'm all highway, as high as 22. So I'll take it. It wasn't even advertised by Livernois that you're going to get any type of change in your fuel economy, but for me, for my car, I did. So tell me about your experiences with your Livernois tune, or any tune for that matter, if you gained or lost some miles per gallon, and what impact it may have had on your fuel economy. Anyway, that's it. Just wanted to do a quick update. Still loving this tune. Love the power gain. Love the reliability of it. That so far, I mean, like I said, I daily drive this. I've had the tune in here for at least a few months now, and no issues whatsoever. No codes, nothing. So I hope you enjoy this update. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to support the channel through Patreon, and I appreciate that for all those that do support it. So again, take care, guys. We'll see you next time.